So this was the first folder that I pulled, and this is a folder that is a bill of sale. And it's a bill of sale for a woman whose name was Thankfull. And her name only shows up on this bill of sale once. And it's Thankfull Negro Wench. And what was most powerful and upsetting about this was that here I was holding a document that held the legal bonds of another person. And this document was creased and folded. And I thought to myself, how precious this document would have been if Thankfull could have gotten it and destroyed it. And how this document had to be held in a place where she couldn't get it. And when I look at all these folds, what did they do after they signed this contract? Did he fold it up and put it in his back pocket and take Thankfull with him? And then what happened to Thankfull? And that is something that I don't know. And unless this document survives, nobody recognizes the individual experience of those that had been enslaved.